Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee L Summit Reserve in Midnight Sky. With LED headlamps, premium fog lamps, 21-inch aluminum wheels, side distance warning, tow package, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, 38,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, navigation, select terrain system, heated and ventilated second row seating, panoramic sunroof, 10.1-inch rear entertainment screens, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number 91059B.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.